I'm Kelvin John L. Antigo, 24 years old, and I finished Bachelor of Science in Mechanical Engineering at Mapua Institute of Technology. My career objective is to be employed as a safety engineer for DMCI Project Development Incorporated, one of the leaders in the Philippine construction industry, where my skills in safety engineering and oral communication skills will fully operate. In exchange of my service, I expect a starting salary of 70,000 per month, a company car which I will use in cases that I have a meeting and ongoing to project locations, and also have a comfortable place to live in case we have a project that requires monitoring. I look forward to working in an environment where there is room for innovation, competition, and excellence. I participated in seminars and trainings like technical seminar on HVAC, flexible organic light emitting diodes using graphene anodes for solid state lightings, turbulent combustion from a jet engine to an exploding star, and the field of safety engineering. I'm also skillful at using C++ programming, good in using MS Office, and a great oral communication skill. My personal mission statement. As a mechanical engineer, I am dedicated to my work in whatever context that might be. I hold myself responsible for every decision and action I make. In everything that I do, I will be guided by my moral values. I will treat all people with the same respect, regardless of their race, gender, ability, and disability. Together with my coworkers and supervisors, we will arise a commitment toward lifelong interdisciplinary learning, fulfill our potential for responsible leadership, and inspire others to continuously pursue excellence by example. I will serve our society through innovation and excellence, maintain a world-class research program which will contribute to the betterment of the society, and I will function as productive as responding to the evolving needs of industry. I look forward in seeing you at the interview. Thank you for watching.